Okay, I just learned something interesting about the light meter for the Nikkormat. So, first off, before we start to use the light meter, need to make sure that you set the right ISO. So, I actually find I need to do some research before I can realize how to actually set this. So I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you now how to set the ISO for the light meter. So don't force the thing. You need to pull this one, this lever here. Pull the lever, then only you change the ISO. So let's say I'm gonna shoot at the ISO 200 from now. So we're gonna set it at 200. Make sure it's secure, but don't force it. Then now it's set at 200. It's fine. So before you actually use a light meter, you need to make sure that the battery has sufficient voltage. Just now, I think the reason why the light meter doesn't show very ideally is because of the battery. So I now put a new battery. Actually, it's not exactly new, but it's a battery with sufficient voltage as I checked with my multimeter. So it should work fine now. So you can see there's an external light meter here, and there's an internal one. So I'm gonna demonstrate for you how the internal one works. So please hold on. Adjust the camera a bit. Okay. So I'm gonna show you the screen. Okay, so let's say my vegetables there. Okay, so before you actually set the light meter, you need to make sure that the shutter is cocked, otherwise it doesn't work proper. And how to say, this red thing is actually revealed. You need to reveal this, so light meter only will work proper. So okay, let's see. Okay, so you can see that you see between plus and minus, so it's properly exposed. But let's say I fumble around with the settings a bit. Let me change the shutter to something else, like let's say bulb mode. Okay. Okay, so now it's a negative. So I need to, I'm not sure why it's negative, but okay. Change the settings. Okay, now it's positive. And then adjust the shutter. And now it's like, in between. So it should work fine. So after I take the shot, it's not winded. Okay, I think I'm wrong just now. Even if you don't wind it, it still work lah. So, but if you close it, then it's off. See, you need to open it. If you close, then it's off. See, show you. Okay, so now it works, right? Then when I close, see, now it doesn't work. Then I open, now it works. Okay, close, open, close, open. So you see. So this is how a Nikkormat LightMeter works, and hope you find this video helpful. Yeah, if you like this video and you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share, and thank you everyone for watching this. See you guys, bye, God bless.